Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, welcome to USFA Students Guide YouTube. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about the high-level language and low-level language and types of the languages. Now we have to discuss about the characteristics of the high-level languages. What are the characteristics of high-level language? These languages were developed to make computer programming simple, easier, and less prone to errors. Next point is high-level languages are not machine dependent. They enable programmers to write the program that are independent of the particular type of computer. It means that, dear student, whenever we work on low-level language or machine language is machine dependent language. The software or the language that is installed in one computer cannot be work on another computer, but in high-level language we can move our program, our software from one computer to another computer. These languages are not machine dependent. They can be run on any other computer easily. Third point, programs written in high-level language must be translated into machine language by the compiler or interpreter before execution by the computer. Whenever we use the high-level language, then the programs that are written in high-level language must be converted into the low-level language, and there is need of a translator, that is interpreter must be need in the computer to work on it. Next point, the process of finding and removing errors. This is known as debugging, to find the error and remove them. The process of finding and removing error is easier in high-level language compared to the low-level language, as we know that the low-level language, machine language, is a computer language and is 0-1 binary codes language, and we are not able to memorize all the codes of the computer machine language. That's why if there is any error, machine language cannot be found easily. High-level languages programs are highly structured. They are in the form of structures, modules. They allow programmers to break lengthy program into a number of modules which can be written and tested independently. What is the benefit of making different modules in a program? First of all, this make writing and testing a programmer easier, and if there is any kind of error in any module, then we can replace the module, not a whole program. Dear student, these are the characteristics of high-level language. 5 characteristics of high-level language. In the computer, these languages are: number 1 is C, C++, number 2 is Visual Basic, number 3 is C hash or C, number 4 is Java. Yes, but the languages that are famous languages used in the computer programming as a high level languages are: number 1 is C and C++. C language was developed in early 1970s by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories. Dear student, whenever you will write the question about the popular high level languages, then you will write about the history of that languages, how they prepared, how they were in. You have to write the proper date. Next, C has become one of the most popular programming language today. It is highly structured programming language that is easy to understand, and the programming of to making a simple short steps are the modules. In the past, it was mainly used for writing system programs such as operating system, compiler, assembler. Today, it is used for writing all type of application programs. The basic purpose of C was that to writing a program about operating system, that is our Windows, compilers and assemblers. But now today it is used for writing all type of applications programs as well, such as writing word processing program, spreadsheet program, database management system, DBMS, education program. Means all kind of programs that are nowadays we are using are made by the C or C++. C++ were developed by Bjarne Stroustrup, also at Bell Laboratories. It was also discovered at the Bell Laboratory, developed at the Bell Laboratories in 1983 to 1985, and C was developed in 1970s and C++ in 1983 to 1985. C++ is a superset of C, meaning that any valid C program is also a valid C++ program. That is, both are relevant to each other. Any program that is written in C++ or C, both are valid for each other. The purpose of developing C++ was to provide programming facilities to easily and quickly write more powerful programs. Basically, high-level languages are made for compiler easy work and also made for the programmer to work easy and user friendly. Next is Visual Basic. In short term, we can say that VB is also a high level language which evolved from the earlier version called Basic, and the abbreviation of Basic or Basic stand for Beginner All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. VB is also a very popular programming language for the writing Windows and the web applications. A lot of web applications were developed in the VB, Visual Basic language. It is provide a graphic application. VB is commonly used as developing business program. Now, dear student, Visual Basic, it provides a graphical development environment to programmer to develop powerful window and web applications. It is commonly used for developing business programs such as payroll system, inventory control program. The user can also write a program related with the engineering, science, arts and education, and also games. Next is C# or C Sharp. Is a language developed in 2000 by Microsoft Corporation. It is simple, modern, general purpose programming language Syntax of C Sharp is very similar to C and C++. It has some features of Java. Classes are used in it. It is language that make computer programming easy and efficient. It provides facilities to write web applications that can be used across the internet. It is very simple language as compared to C and C++. All type of programs including games, utilities, operating systems, compilers, business applications and the web-based applications can be developed in C Sharp. And dear student, Java is high level language also, and it was developed by Sun Microsystem. It is very similar to the syntax of C and C++. In Java, the user can write all types of programs as those written in other programming language and small programs that can be embedded in a web page accessed through the internet. Java is an ideal language for network computing. It is used for writing the program for wide range of devices, networking purposes, computers and networks. It is widely used in web application. The current version of the most of web browsers are made Java enabled. A few browsers that support Java are Microsoft Internet Explorer, Firefox and Mozilla. These are the Internet Explorer, these are the web browsers. Dear student, the last topic of this lecture is compiler and interpreter. In this we will find out what is the difference between compiler and interpreter. Now compiler is a software that translates source program into object program. Source program and object program, two things. One is source program and object program. Source program is that is in the raw form, that are statements that are in the high level language, and object program that are given to the computer in the that are given to the computer in machine language. Dear students, source program consists of the statements written in the high level language such as the C, Pascal, Java. For example, program written in the C language can be by the programmer to print table of a number is known as source program. When it is translated with the compiler to the machine language, then the resulting program is known as the object program. The object program is understandable by the computer, but the source program is not understandable by the computer. And same as the object program is difficult by the human, and the source program is difficult by the computer. Next is interpreter. Translate high level language program into the machine language, but the translate one instructions at a time and execution it immediately before translating the next instructions. For example, programming language that use interpreter are JavaScript, Basic, Visual Basic and Perl. Interpreter reads each statement or source one at a time and determine what means as it executes. It means each time statement is read, it must be translated in the machine language before execution. Compilers translate the entire program into the object program before execution of the computer. Simple difference is that compiler will convert all the whole program into the machine language, and the interpreter will convert line by line into the machine language. This is our end of our lecture.